Exploring the phrase, berry patch, a journey into language and nature. Hello, everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, berry patch. This phrase is not just a literal term but also carries a lot of cultural and contextual meaning. Whether you're learning English as a second language or are just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning and usage of berry patch together. Berry patch refers to a specific area where berry plants grow in abundance. Berries can include strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and more. This term is often used to describe a natural, wild area, but it can also refer to a cultivated or farmed area. The key components here are berries and the natural grouping of these plants. In many cultures, a berry patch is more than just a location. It's a symbol of nature's bounty and simplicity. It often brings to mind images of family outings, childhood, and the pleasure of picking fresh berries. The phrase can evoke feelings of nostalgia and a connection to nature. In literature and conversation, it might be used metaphorically to represent a place of abundance, simplicity, or pleasure. The term, berry patch, can be used in various contexts. For example, descriptive: we spent the afternoon in the berry patch, picking strawberries. Metaphorical: after years of hard work, he finally found himself in a financial berry patch. In these examples, the first use is literal, describing an activity, while the second is metaphorical, indicating a situation where someone has found abundance or success. While we are not focusing on phonetics, it's important to note the pronunciation of berry patch is straightforward, with emphasis typically on the first syllable of berry. It's pronounced just as it's written, which is helpful for English learners. We hope this video has been insightful in understanding the phrase, berry patch. It's a term rich in imagery and cultural significance, transcending its literal meaning. As you continue learning English, remember that phrases like these add color and depth to your understanding of the language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language explorations.